Alright, let's get this shit going. It's your boy Cassius. These days, I just go by the waviest sailor. Nah, no cap. Waviest sailor. Waviest sailor in the Navy. Claiming it now. We're about to go ahead and do another video. I got another little thing in the mail today. Little bang, little yada yada. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, since I've been in the Navy, I just really feel like, the Navy is one of my goals. It's time for me to just really tackle on the things I want to do, get the YouTube back popping, really get it loaded and stop playing around. Like, stop wasting my time, looking at shit on the internet. Like, oh, I want that. Nah, I ain't gonna get it though. Just fucking, I want to spend my money. I want to be in the Navy. Fuck it, I'll wait. Nah, you do that shit. You do that shit now. Don't wait. Don't wait and go. So the things I really want to do, my music, my YouTube, go do it now. And this is something I've been wanting to get for a minute. Just looking on the internet, seeing people rocking this shit, seeing celebrities rock this shit. Just know that I really do like fashion. I really do like, I really am really big and I'm really into it. Yeah. To not have it in my closet makes me feel some type of way. So I'll just go ahead and pull the trigger. Got a good gallery on us today. Good gallery department. And the packaging, obviously it wasn't nothing too fancy, anything crazy like that. Just regular packaging. I got a t-shirt, even the t-shirt comes in a regular just black packaging. It does have gallery department here as a little sticker, but it ain't nothing special. It came with a little sticker. Probably end up putting it on my MacBook. Still waiting for my MacBook to come in the mail. Ship it out here to where I'm at right now. And just nothing special, I'm still obviously rocking my Navy gear. I'm in a part of my training right now. I'm in a part of my Navy training where I'm not even allowed to leave the base yet. So really I just been stacking gear, getting all that shit I want. So when it's game time, it's game time. And this is one of the things that I got a nice fit that I was bubbling up and I'm loading there. I just feel like this is the one. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger. We got the navy blue, what they call it, Souvenir Tee in baby blue. Gallery department. So some of the small details. We got gallery department on the tag. Made in the USA. Got the sizing right here. And then we got, boom, check this out on the back. Good gallery department on the back. Hollywood, California. And it's a nice tee. Just a nice t-shirt. It's something that's gallery tee tag. It's just something that you want to have in your closet. When you open up the closet, you want nice tees, you want nice jeans, you want nice shoes, you want nice fits. And I feel like Gallery Department is just a very solid brand. You check out the history, you look at the facts behind it, you look at the products that they drop, and it's definitely something that's worth the price tag. If you into what you into, it's definitely something that's worth the price tag. And for me, it was something that is a must-have in my closet. And there's gonna be a couple other things that I'm gonna continuously drop and cop that I feel like are must-haves. And some of these fits, I just gotta have them. And Gallery Department is definitely one. Will be the first. It's the first Gallery Department cop, but it's definitely not gonna be the last. There'll be plenty more. Stay tuned. Stay tuned to the page. I'll be posting a lot more Navy vlogs, fashion videos, hauls, try-ons. I'll be doing some unboxings of some sneakers very soon. And go ahead, hit that link, subscribe for me. Definitely run it up. We're on a journey right now. We're on a journey to 1,000 subscribers. I want 1,000 subscribers very soon. Obviously I'm gonna keep doing my best to put out quality content for you guys. And I believe it in my heart, 1,000 subscribers just to start, and just the tip of the iceberg. We going fast, we going hard, and we going strong. Pause. But no freaky shit, but y'all know what I'm saying. Yo, if you haven't, go get you a Gallery Department tee. Step your swag up. Get in the game. It's world for the taking. And the best dressed always happens to win. Peace and love to everybody. It's been real. It's the waviest sailor. Coach Cash is checking out.